Throughout this journey, we have explored the lungs, heart and kidneys, the blood and lymph, the fascia, nerves, and breath. We have explored sleep, development, adaptation, and genes, and how important a role environment plays in all of this. At first glance, these may appear to be separate subjects, separate systems, separate conversations. But as we have traveled deeper into the body, a different picture has begun to emerge. Nothing is truly separate. Everything participates. Everything communicates. Everything influences everything else. The body is not a collection of isolated parts. The body is a relationship. A living relationship between countless systems working together. And perhaps more importantly, a living relationship between you and the world around you. Because every moment of your life arrives through the body. Every sight, every sound, every taste, every touch, every memory, every emotion, every thought, every experience. Without the body, there is no experience. The body is not merely carrying you through life. The body is where life becomes experience. Imagine standing on a beach. A cool breeze moves across your skin. The scent of salt fills the air. Waves move toward the shore. Light reflects across the water. A feeling emerges. Peace, calm, wonder, presence. What exactly happened? The answer is far more extraordinary than it first appears. Light entered the eyes. Sound entered the ears. Air entered the lungs. Pressure changed across the skin. The nervous system responded. Memory participated. Meaning emerged. The experience we call standing on a beach was born. Not in the beach alone, not in the body alone, but in the meeting between them. The body became the interface, the place where world and experience met. This is true of every moment, every conversation, every relationship, every challenge, every opportunity. The body is continuously translating reality, light into vision, vibration into sound, chemistry into sensation, environment into experience. Without this translation, the world remains inaccessible. The organism makes participation possible. This understanding changes how we think about ourselves. Many people imagine the body as something they possess, my body, as though the self exists in one location and the body exists in another. A vehicle, a container, a machine carrying the real person around. Yet, biology suggests something different. The body is not merely carrying experience. The body is generating experience. Not alone, but as an active participant. Every thought occurs within a body. Every emotion occurs within a body. Every memory occurs within a body. Every dream occurs within a body. The separation is not nearly as clear as we often imagine. Again and again throughout this volume, we have encountered the same lesson. The body influences perception. Perception influences thought. Thought influences behavior. Behavior influences environment. Environment influences the body. The cycle continues, not as separate events, but as one continuous process, a living loop. This is one reason awareness can be so transformative, because when we begin understanding the organism, we begin understanding the conditions through which experience emerges. We begin asking different questions. Not simply, what am I thinking? But What state is the body in? Not simply, why do I feel this way, but what conditions might be contributing? Not simply, what is happening around me, but how is the organism meeting what is happening around me? These questions reveal something important. Experience is not created in isolation. Experience emerges through interaction. The body and the world participating together. This does not mean reality is entirely subjective. Reality still exists. Gravity still exists. Weather still exists. Other people still exist. The world remains real. But our experience of that world emerges through a living biological interface, and that interface matters. The body matters, perhaps more than many of us realize. Not because the body is perfect, not because the body always gets things right, but because the body is the medium through which life is experienced, the canvas, the instrument, the meeting place, the bridge. Throughout history, human beings have searched for understanding in many directions. Through philosophy, through spirituality, through science, through art, through observation. Each discipline illuminating part of the picture. Yet all of them eventually arrive at the same mystery. What is this experience of being alive? And while no single answer exists, the body remains one of the most direct places to look, because the body is always present, always participating, always translating, always adapting, always listening. The heart listens. The lungs listen. The skin listens. The ears listen. The nervous system listens. The organism listens. Life arrives. The body responds. Experience emerges, again and again, moment by moment, breath by breath. A continuous exchange between self and world. And perhaps that is the deepest lesson hidden within the human operating system. You are not separate from life, you are participating in it. Through a body that has been adapting since before your first memory. Through a body that continues learning today. Through a body that transforms the world into experience every moment of every day. The living interface. The place where existence becomes personal. The place where reality becomes your reality. The place where life becomes lived. Somalume. The body is not something you have. It is the place where life is happening.